Keeping your Samsung Galaxy A27 organized is easy when you know how to remove unwanted apps. In this guide, you'll learn 2 simple methods to uninstall apps quickly and free up valuable storage space. The quickest way to delete an app is through the app drawer. Start by unlocking your phone and swiping up from the bottom of the home screen to open the app drawer, where all of your installed applications are displayed. Find the app you want to remove, then touch and hold its icon for about 2 seconds. A small pop-up menu will appear with several options. Tap Uninstall and then tap Uninstall again to confirm your choice. After a few seconds, the app will be completely removed from your Galaxy A27. Another convenient option is to uninstall apps through the Settings menu. This method is especially useful if you want to review all installed apps or identify which ones are using the most storage. Open the Settings app and scroll down until you see apps. Tap it to view the complete list of applications installed on your device. Scroll through the list and select the app you want to delete. On the app information page, tap Uninstall, then confirm by tapping OK or Uninstall when prompted. The app will then be removed from your phone. If the uninstall option is missing, the app is likely a pre-installed system application. These apps usually cannot be removed completely, but you can often tap Disable instead. Disabling prevents the app from running, hides it from the app drawer, and can help save system resources. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to delete apps on the Samsung Galaxy A27 using both the app drawer and the settings method. Use whichever approach is most convenient for you to keep your phone clean, organized, and running smoothly.